warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurjanah. I want to solve the mathematics word problem about conditional probability. The question is, in a group of 100 students, 40 are taking algebra, 30 are taking biology, and 20 are taking both algebra and biology. If a student chosen at random is taking algebra, what is the probability that he or she is taking biology? Okay. The first we must do here is visualize this information with a diagram fan. So I've got 100 students all together. That's going to be the universe. Within the universe are two groups. There's what There's what we will call group A. Group A. For the students who are taking algebra, we have 40 students in that group. 40. And then there's overlapping with that group B. Group B is for students taking biology, and there are 30 students in that group. And in that overlapping area, the students who are taking algebra and biology, and there are 20 students there. 20. And then the question is, if a student chosen at random is taking algebra, what is the probability that he or she is taking biology? It says they have already chosen a student at random, and that student is taking algebra. What is the probability that he or she is taking biology? Okay, so this is conditional probability. We are going to write the probability of B given A. Probability of B given A. Okay, let me explain this notation. The probability, and then in parentheses I've got B and a bar and an A. The B stands for biology, the probability that a student is taking biology, and the bar is given that, In other words, we already know that the student is taking algebra. So we're looking for the probability that a student is taking biology if we already know that the student is taking algebra. The formula is going to be that the probability of B given A, the formula is going to be that the probability of B given A is the probability of the intersection of A and B divided by the probability of A. Okay, now let's put some numbers in here, and this will begin to make sense. So, what's the probability of the intersection of A and B? That that intersection is probability of A and B is 20 students out of 100 is 20 over 100, and I can write that as 0.2. Probability intersection of A and B is 20 divided by 100, and we can put 0.2 in here, and probability of A is 40, and probability of A is 40 divided by 100, or we can write 0.4. We put here. So the probability if a student chosen at random is taking algebra, what is the probability that he or she is taking biology? The answer is the half, or 0.5. This is the probability of biology. So if a student chosen at random is taking algebra, the probability that he or she is taking biology is a half, or we can say 0.5. Finish. That's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.